Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to dislike a comment on TikTok. So this is actually a new update in TikTok, and if you have not this option, you can get it by updating your TikTok application through Google Play Store if you are using Android, and through App Store if you are using iOS. So after that, open your TikTok account and tap on profile option in the bottom right corner and open one of your video. So now I have opened this video. So now I am tapping on the comment option. So here you can see two options. Number one is the heart or the like option, and the second one is the dislike option. So I am tapping on this. So I have disliked this comment. Now if I tap on like, so I have liked it. So actually that is the method. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.